Good morning, students. In the previous videos, yesterday and day before yesterday, we have learned two methods. One is method of substitution, and another one is method of substitution by elimination. In this video, we have to learn method of cross multiplication. Method of cross multiplication. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are the system of simultaneous linear equations. System of simultaneous linear equations, and also given that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 has a unique solution. Mean here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That implies a1 b2 minus a2 b1 also should not be equal to 0. Then x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, here the given system is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 is the given system of simultaneous linear equations. And also a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, mean if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, they are consistent equations. Already this condition I gave in earlier videos. If you cross multiply, then you will get a1 b2 minus a2 b1 should not be equal to 0 because that is the denominator's part. Then the value of x is b1 c2 minus b2 c1, and the value of y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Mean x comma y b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 comma c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is the solution of the given system of simultaneous linear equations. Okay, this is the theorem. We have to prove this one. We have to prove this one. Here a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 be the first equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to second equation. For getting the value of x, equation 1 we multiplied with b2, then it becomes a1 b2x plus b1 b2y plus b2 c1 equal to 0, then equation 2 is multiplied by b1, then we get a2 b1x plus b1 b2 y plus b1 c2 equal to 0. Okay, equation 1 multiplied by b2, equation 2 multiplied by b1. Now here y coefficients are equal b1 b2, here also b1 b2. If you subtract here b1 b2y, b1 b2y get cancel, then you get a1 b2x minus a2 b1x plus b2 c1 minus b1 c2 equal to 0. Now here in these two terms, if you take x common, then we will get a1 b2 minus a2 b1 equal to, here minus b1 c2 becomes b1 c2 plus b2 c1 becomes minus b2 c1. Then x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay. Next. Again from 1 and 2. Now here first equation multiplied by a2 mean a1 a2 x plus a2 b1 y plus a2 c1 equal to 0. Equation 2 multiplied by a1, here a1 a2 x plus a1 b2 y plus a1 c2 equal to 0. If you subtract the formed equations, here coefficient of x is a1 and here also a1 a2 get cancelled. You get a2 b1y minus a1 b2y plus a2 c1 minus a1 c2 equal to 0. That implies here y common a2 b1 minus a1 b2 equal to minus a1 c2 becomes plus a1 c2 plus a2 c1 becomes minus a2 c1. Now y equal to a1 c2 minus a2 c1 by a2 b1 minus a1 b2. Okay, these are the required x and y values. Once observe these two proofs, the given system a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. For getting the value of x, first equation be multiplied with b2, second equation multiplied by b1, then we will get y coefficient common, same. That's why if you subtract b1 b2y, b1 b2y get cancelled, then we will get a1 b2 x minus a2 b1 x plus b2 c1 minus b1 c2 equals 0. From the first two terms, x common mean a1 b2 minus a2 b1 equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1. X value b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now for getting the value of y, first equation be multiplied by a2, then x coefficient a1 a2. Second equation multiplied by a1, here also x coefficient is a1 a2. So if you subtract x coefficient, cancel. then a2b1 minus a1b2 into y equal to a1c2 minus a2c1, then y equal to a1c2 minus a2c1 by a2b1 minus a1b2. Okay. Otherwise, one shortcut method for us for this one. One shortcut method. For example, let a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c3 equal to 0 with a system of simultaneous linear equations. Then the cross multiplication, here x, here y, here 1. Mean first we need to take a coefficient of y, b1, constant c1, coefficient of x, a1, again b1. Next b2, c2, a2 and b2. Now cross multiply. Here x, b1 c2, b2 c equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1. Next constant 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now if you equate x and constant terms, then we will get x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. If you equate these two terms, then you will get c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. In general, cross multiplication method without using normal process means which doesn't involve any substitution or elimination, which has a special method. This is det method. By using this method, we can solve the given problem easily. First, we have to take y coefficient, constant, x coefficient, again y coefficient. In the second equation also same process. Y coefficient, constant, x coefficient, then y coefficient. Okay. In this way only you can take b1 c2, then b2 c2, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 b2, then a2 b2. This is cross multiplication. Let us take one example. Solve problem. X plus y equal to 7. 5x plus 12y equal to 7. 5x plus 12y equal to 7 are two given equations. Let x plus y minus 7 equal to 0 because it is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Constant need to be shifted to LHS part. Next 5x plus 12y minus 7 equal to 0 be the second equation. Now x, y constant. Now coefficient of y 1, constant minus 7, x coefficient 1, again y coefficient 1. Here coefficient of y 12, constant minus 7, x coefficient is 5 and again 12. X here 7 into minus 7, sorry, 1 into minus 7 equal to minus 7 minus 12 into minus 7 y equal minus 7 into 5 minus 1 into minus 7. 1 into 12 minus 1 into 5. Here minus 7 minus into minus plus 84 y by minus 35. Here minus into minus plus 7 constant 1 by 12 minus 5. Here 84 minus 7 equal to 77. Here minus 35 plus 7 equal to minus 28. 12 minus 5 equal to 7. Now x equal to 77 by 7 equal to 11. Y equal to minus 28 by 7 equal to minus 4. So here the solution is xy equal to 11 comma minus 7 minus 4. 11 comma minus 4. 11 comma minus 4 is the solution. Okay, here the given system is x plus y equal to 7, 5x plus 12y equal to 7. Here we require a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 form. That's why the constant need to be bring to LHS part in both equations. Then minus 7 and minus 7 equal to 0. First and second equations. And coefficients of y we have to take first, then constant, then x coefficient, then again y coefficient. In this way we have to cross multiply. 1 into minus 7 minus of 12 into minus 7. Minus 7 into 5 minus of 1 into minus 7. 1 into 12 minus 5 into 1 or 1 into 5. So x by minus 7 here minus of minus plus 84. Y by minus 35 minus of minus plus 7. 1 by 12 minus 5. So x by 77, y by minus 28 equal to 1 by 7. Then x 77 by 7, 11. Y minus 28 by 7, minus 4. 11 comma minus 4 is the solution of the given system of linear equations. Next. Second example. Second example. Here 2x plus 3y equal to 17. 2x plus 3y equal to 17. 3x minus 2y equal to 6. 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Let 2x plus 3y minus 17 equal to 0 be the first equation. 3x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0 be the second equation. Now y coefficient 3, constant minus 17, x coefficient 2, and again 3. Here y coefficient minus 2, minus 6, 3, and minus 2. Here 3 into minus 6 equal to minus 18. Here minus into minus plus 2 into 17 equal to 34. Next, minus 17 into 3 equal to minus 51. Here minus into minus plus 6 to 12. Here 2 into minus 2 equal to minus 4. 3 into 3 equal to 9. So x divided by here minus 18 minus 34 minus 52 minus 51 plus 12 minus 39 minus 30. So x equal to minus 52 by minus 13 equal to 4. Y equal to minus 39 by minus 13 equal to 3. The required solution is xy equal to 4, 3. 4, 3 is the required solution. Here 2x plus 3y equals 17, 3x minus 2y equals 6 they gave. Let 2x plus 3y minus 17. Here RHS part. In the first equation 17 is given, it becomes minus 17. 6 becomes minus 6. Then x, y and constant 1. Then 3 into minus 6 equal to minus 18. Minus into minus plus. Already we have minus 15 plus 2. So minus 34. Here minus 51 minus or minus plus 12. 1 by minus 4 minus 9. Then x by minus 52. Y by minus 39. And 1 by minus 30. If you compare first and last terms, x equal to minus 52 by minus 13 equal to 4. Y equal to minus 39 by minus 13 equal to 3. Here 4, 3 is the required solution. Next, to the third equation. Third equation, 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. 4x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. 4x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. here plus 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0, 4x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Let 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0 be the first equation. 4x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 be the second equation. X, y, 1. Here y coefficient is minus 1, minus 3, 2 and minus 1. Next 1, minus 3, 4 and 1. White cross. Now here minus 1 into minus 3 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 into 4 minus 2 into minus 3 2 into 1 minus 1 into 4. Okay. X minus into minus plus 3. Here minus into minus plus 3 into 1 3. Here minus 3 into 4 minus 12. Here minus into minus plus 2 3 6. Here 2 ones 2 minus into minus plus 4 ones 4. X by 6, y by minus 6, 1 by 6. X equal to 6 by 6, that is 1. Y equal to minus 6 by 6, that is minus 1. Here the solution is xy equal to 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 1 is the required solution. The given system is 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0, 4x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Let 2x minus y minus 3 be the first equation, 4x plus y minus 3 be the second equation. Then we will get y coefficient minus 1, constant minus 3, then 2 minus 1. For the second equation, y coefficient is 1, constant minus 3, 4 and 1. Minus 1 into minus 3, minus of minus 3 into 1. Y by minus 3 into 4 minus 2 into minus 3. Then 2 into 1 minus 1 into 4. So x by 3 plus 3, 6. Then minus 1 into minus 3 equal to 3. Minus 7 minus plus 3. Minus 12 plus 6. 1 by 2 plus 4. So x by 6, y by minus 6. 1 by 6, x equal to 6 by 6 mean 1 and y equal to minus 6 by 6 mean minus 1. Next, fourth equation. Fourth equation. 2x plus y equal to 35, 3x plus 4y equal to 65, 3x plus 4y equal to 65. Let 2x plus 4y, so 2x plus y minus 35 equal to 0 be the first equation. 3x plus 4y minus 65 equal to 0 be the second equation. Now for the cross multiplication, y coefficient is 1, constant minus 35, x coefficient is 2, again 1. Here y coefficient is 4, constant minus 65, x coefficient 3 and 4. Right plus. Now x divided by here 1 into minus 65 minus 35 into 4. Here minus 35 into 3. 2 into minus 65. 2 into 4. 1 into 3. X divided by here minus 65 minus of minus plus 35 fours 140. Here y divided by minus 35 into 3 minus 105. Here minus into minus plus 130. 265 1 by here 8 minus 3. So x divided by here 140 minus 65 75 y by 130 minus 105 25 5. X equal to 75 by 5 15. Y equal to 25 by 5 5. So the required solution is 15 comma 5. 15 comma 5 is the required solution. 15 comma 5 is the required solution. Once observe the given equation, 2x plus y equal 35, 3x plus 4y equal 65 they gave. 2x plus y minus 35 be the first equation, 3x plus 4y minus 65 be the second equation. If you cross multiply x by y coefficient is 1, constant minus 35, x coefficient 2. In the second equation, y coefficient is 4, constant minus 65, x coefficient 3, again 4. 1 into minus 65, minus 65, minus of minus plus 35 into 4, 140. Minus 35 into 3, 105. Minus of minus plus 65 to 130. 4 to 8, 3 ones 3. 140 minus 65 equals 75. 130 minus 105 equal to 25. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. X equal to 75 by 5, that is 15. Y equal to 25 by 5, that is 5. Last example. Fifth one. X by A plus y by B equal to A plus B. x by a square plus y by b square equal to 2. So the solution, let x by a plus y by b minus half a plus b equal to 0 be the first equation. X by a square plus y by b square minus 2 equal to 0 be the second equation. Here x coefficient, so y coefficient is 1 by b, constant minus a plus b, x coefficient 1 by a and 1 by b. Next, the second equation 1 by b square minus 2 1 by a square, again 1 by b square. X, here minus 2 into 1 by b minus 2 by b, here minus into minus plus a plus b into 1 by b square, mean by b square. Y by a minus a plus b by b square a square. Here minus or minus plus 2 by a equal to 1 by, here 1 by a into 1 by b square, 1 by a b square minus 1 by a square b. A square b. So here x by, here LCM is b square, here minus 2b plus a plus b units. Here y by, here LCM is a square, here minus a minus b plus 2a 2 units. Here 1 by, LCM is a square b square, here we get a, here minus 1. X by a minus b by b square, y by a minus b by a square equal to a minus b by a square b square. Okay, x equal to a minus b by b square by a minus b by a square b square. That means a minus b by b square into a square b square by a minus b a square. If you compare these two, a minus b by a square into reciprocal a square b square by a minus b square. Here the required solution x y equal to a square comma b square. Required solution is a square b square. The required solution is a square b square. Once observe that one. X by a, y by b equal to a plus b, x by a square plus y by b square equal to 2. And the equation becomes minus of a plus b minus 2 equal to 0, first and second equations. 1 by b is the coefficient of y, minus a plus b is the constant, 1 by a is the x coefficient, and 1 by b. 1 by b square minus 2, 1 by a square, 1 by b square. X by minus 2 by b plus a plus b by b square. After LCM, you will get a minus b by b square. In the second one, a minus b by a square. In the third, after simplification, you will get a minus b by a square b square. Then x equal to a minus b by b square into a square b square by a minus b, a minus b, a minus b get cancelled, a square you will get. In the same process, y equal to b square we got. So finally, the system of solution xy equal to a square b square. This is cross multiplication method. Have a nice day. Bye.